In the previous class, we had written question 1 meanings. So now you can continue writing after that question. You can also refer page 5 of your English textbook. Question 2. Answer the following questions. Name the person who first told these fables. The fables were first told by Aesop. The fables were first told by Aesop. What did the stag like about himself? Why? Answer. The stag liked his antlers because they made him look handsome. The stag liked his antlers because they made him look handsome. What was the stag unhappy with? Why? Answer. The stag was unhappy with his legs because he thought they were very ugly. The stag was unhappy with his legs because he thought they were very ugly. What did the dog do when the ox went near the manger? Answer. When the ox went near the manger, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. When the ox went near the manger, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. Write the message of each of these two stories. Answer. A. The stag at the pool. Very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. A. The stag at the pool. Very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. B. The dog in the manger. Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. B. The dog in the manger. Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Question 3. Find synonyms for. Synonyms means a word or phrase having similar meaning. First one, delighted, pleased. Delighted, pleased. Beautiful, gorgeous. Beautiful, gorgeous. Disgusted, feeling strong dislike. Disgusted, feeling strong dislike. Bounded, to run with long steps. Bounded, to run with long steps. Question 4. Make a collection of idioms and proverbs that mention birds and animals. You have to choose the correct answers given in the bracket. Chickens, birds, dog. First one, every dash has its day. Every dash has its day. Dash of feather flock together. Dash of feather flock together. Don't count your dash before they hatch. Don't count your dash before they hatch. So children, write the correct answer in the given blanks. Choose the answers from the brackets. Now this is self-study. Write at least 3 or 4 words for the above question. Find the smaller words hidden in the following words. There are 10 words given and you have to make smaller words from each word. For example, reflection. You can make a 2-letter word from this word, in, on on, no no, or a 3-letter word, ten, net net, 4-letter word, lion lion, fleet fleet. So children, for each word you have to make 3 or 4 words. Next question. The stag saw his reflection in water. You have learnt this in the story. Name at least 3 things in which one may see a reflection. So you have to think for 3 things in which you can see a reflection. For example, if you stand near a window, you can see your reflection on the glass pane of the window. So same way you think for 3 things and write down the answer. And name 3 things that do not reflect anything. You have to also think for 3 things which do not reflect. in which you can't see the reflection. For example, wall, book. Think for 3 things and write down the names. The next question, find and write the names of 10 countries. You have to think of any 10 country names that you like and write it down. So all the above questions has to be done by students. You can take the help of your parents and you have to write the answers in the notebook.